After Islamabad, we now bring you a report from Sargodha. A gathering of journalists and residents in Sargodha journalist colony highlighted key issues facing the community, including infrastructure, security, and future development projects. Let's learn more about in the report by Umar Khan. A ceremony was held in a journalist colony under the auspices of the Pak Media Foundation, Islamabad. The event was hosted by the foundation coordinator Khwaja Hassan, senior journalist, photojournalist, and resident of the colony, attended the gathering. Imran Sheikh, joint secretary of the Lahore Press Club and secretary general of the Photojournalist Association, attending as the chief guest. Among the participants, Khalid Qayyum, Daily Express; Saeed Akhtar, Daily Khabre; Safdar Rashid, Daily Business Record; Wasim Niaz, President, Journalist Association; Parvez Iltaf, Senior Vice President; Sadaqat Mughal, Vice President; Zahurul Haq, Photojournalist; Gulzar Chaudhary; Muhammad Akmal Khokhar; Muhammad Khan, and Tahur Ahmed. The ceremony began with the recitation of the Holy Quran, followed by a naat presented by Zahurul Haq. Addressing the participants, Imran Sheikh responded to questions and suggestions for the audience. He said that Arshad Ansari, President of the Lahore Press Club, has been working tirelessly to safeguard the rights of interest of journalists. He praised the achievement of the journalist group under Ansari leadership, stating that significant progress had been made in resolving issues faced by the journalist colony. He added that efforts are underway to permanently resolve the problem of the colony, including those in Block B, with positive results expected by September. He further stated that development work in Block F has been completed, while efforts are continuing for Phase 2, expressing hope that the balloting process will take place during July. The participants congratulated the President of the Lahore Press Club on receiving a government award in recognition of his services. Senior journalist Saeed Akhtar highlighted the issue facing different phases of the journalist colony and presented several recommendations. Parvez Iltaf urged the government to expedite the construction of a second bridge over the canal to improve access to the colony. Khalid Qayyum appreciated the Pak Media Foundation for providing a valuable platform where the journalists and residents could come together, exchange views, and strengthen mutual cooperation. He expressed the hope that such gatherings would continue regularly. Senior journalist Safdar Rashid and several other participants also shared their suggestions and opinion. Responding to the concern raised, Imran Sheikh assured the audience that every effort would be made to address the outstanding issues. He specifically promised to work on improving the colony security, construction a boundary wall, and developing a comprehensive strategy to regulate the entry of outsiders. He further stated that both the Photojournalist Association and the Lahore Press Club fully support to Pak Media Foundation and acknowledge its valuable service for the welfare of journalists, assuring continued cooperation in the future. At the conclusion of the ceremony, Khwaja Hassan thanked all the participants for attending the event. Umar Khan, Big News, Sargodha.